Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our today's video. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about how we can make money by taking education loan. See, first of all, I would not advise to go ahead with any kind of loan, but if any loan, any one loan that I can advise to go ahead with is education loan. So let's set the context. So whenever you go for any kind of education loan, typically you will come across two kind of education loan product. Number one, fixed rate interest. Number two, variable rate or floating rate interest rate loan. So in fixed rate loan, there is a rate that is defined before taking the loan on agreement with the customer or with the borrower, and that rate remained constant throughout your loan term. Loan term is basically if you are taken the loan of for 15 years, 10 years, whatever the term you have agreed upon. Number two is the floating interest rate loan. In floating interest rate loan, there are two components. Number one is the repo rate and number two is the risk premium or the risk spread. Repo rate is set up by the central bank. In case of India, it is done by the RBI, which is 6.5% as of now. And there is a risk spread which is decided by the bank before you go for the loan. That keep on changing depending upon the repo rate as well. So you can see here there are two components, right? So even if any component gets changed, your overall interest on the loan or the education loan will get changed. So let's come to our today's fundamental question. How are we going to make money through education loan, right? So see, there are two components in floating interest rate that I have discussed. Okay, so any component will go up or down will impact the interest rate, right? So suppose as of now, the interest rate is 6.5%, which is expected that it has already peaked out and it is expected to go down in coming years once the inflation going to ease, right? So when the repo rate decreased, the overall component in the floating interest rate will decrease. So now it is 6.5% plus 2% of risk premium. So overall it is 8.5% as of now. Now if the repo rate is decreased by 2 to 2.5%, so now the repo rate component will become 4%. The risk premium will become 2% or 1.7%. As of now, it is 1.7 to 1.8. It might go to 2%. So those two, so adding those two, it will become 8.2 to 8.5%, right? So you are paying the interest rate of 8.2 to 8.5% of your education loan. This is valid only for premium institute like IITs, NITs, and IIMs. So now comes to our basic question: how are we going to make money through all of these possible combinations, right? So see, you take the loan from the bank at 8.2 to 8.5%. You pay the fees through the education loan. Now, whatever money that you are having in your pocket from which you should have paid the fees, you can just invest in be it large cap, small cap, or mid cap, or ETFs. Okay, these kind of asset classes, you can put your money, you can park your money. You will get on an average 12 to 13% of annualized return. See, you have taken the loan at 8.5%. You are making a return of 12 to 13%. So there is a surplus of 3.5% to 4%, right? Simple. This is in case if the interest rates remain constant, that is like repo rate is 6.5% plus 2% of risk premium. If the interest rate go down, that is to 4%, and risk premium will become 2 to 2.5%, then the overall interest rate is just 6.5%. Now if you are making 12% return by investing the similar amount in like stock market, then you are generating 5 to 6% of return. And for your knowledge, I am just saying you just get 3.5% on your saving bank account. That's it, nothing more. So just by taking some right decision, you are making 5% annualized return on your money. Why I am suggesting to invest in stock market is because you have taken the loan for long duration, that is 12 to 15 years. And in long run, stock market gives good return. In long run, stock market has given 12% of return. Any benchmark, Nifty, Sensex. So see how simple it is to make money just by taking education loan. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please give thumbs up. And for more such content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.